Hello everybody, Steve Tristan here with Steve Tristan's Best. And
Aidan.
we're both here today to show you guys how to install a shutter with the Z frame, okay, in a window. And actually, I think this is Aidan's first time learning how to do this, so we're going to train him. And but do me a favor before we get started. Why don't you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and then select the alert notification so that way you could be alerted to any new videos we have coming out. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so Aidan's just getting off the rest of the inner packaging, but it included a hardware pack. And what I'm going to do next is measure the sizes to verify which window this is going for. Okay, it should be the first window. We're going to do 4 windows in this house, but it should be this first window that we're near, and then we'll go from there. Okay. Okay, so each of the frames is going to have some sort of marking on it. Like this is right side. This is going to be the left, and you always have to remember that when it's going down, that it's going to be, this is the front face, and then so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the right on this side, and then I'm going to actually flip it around and put the bottom on this side and the top here, because I'm going to lift it up that way, if you understand. Okay, and then so check it out, Aidan. So you always make sure you put something down to protect it, because you don't want to nick or mess up the frames, you know. This is top, which I said is we're going to do on this side, right? This is T for top right here. Okay, move this. And the hardware packs also come with touch-up paint. Okay, you'll see shutters are not like doing blinds, Aidan, you know, understand? It's like doing finished carpentry. Okay, cool, because these are really easy to put together. It's not, some shutters you can't do this, you actually have to like nail together, but these have you know, the hourglass look. Make sure everything's even. Okay, right there, you see that? There, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, next one. Slide it over, just make sure it doesn't fall. Okay, Aidan, I'll let you tap this one in, make it straight. So you have to make sure it's straight, okay? And then get the dead blow, tap it in, nice and easy, nice and easy. There we go. Is it all straight here? Here? It's good, huh? Okay, other side. I'm going to show you the hardware here. It comes with pins, okay? That's for the panels. It also comes with screws. The screws come with for the to reinforce the hinges, and also touch-up paints in case you nick some things, okay? So, all right, so we're going to go ahead and get this frame installed on that side. Okay. Come around. There you go. Come on. Okay, right here, Robert. Go behind him. Set it in. Set it in. Okay, so the first thing we got to do is actually level it. Make sure the bottom is level, the sides are level, and then if they are, then I could just shoot it. If they're not, then we'll have to rack it and see what we have to do to make it so the panels are going to close straight. bottom. So you can see that right there. There. I leveled it out by pushing the bottom that way. So I leveled that by pushing the bottom that way. Okay. Okay, the other side. Do that. Good. Okay, hold it right there. Okay, so I'm going to use a countersink to drill a hole, and so that way it could use this stylus screw, okay, that's going to set right inside of the wood frame. Usually we have screws that have a white tip to them. Today they didn't send those styles, so we had to get our own. So what we'll do is we'll use that touch-up paint to touch up these screws as well. Notice I'm kind of doing it at an angle to make sure that I go into the drywall on the corner bead. Try to get the stud. Okay. Screw here. Now flip. Now the frame can pull, so you got to check it out. See what you're doing. There we go. That's level. Cut. Are those coyotes or what?
Those are wolves.
There's wolves there?
Yeah, they're wolves.
Somebody owns them, or they're
Our next door
a pack?
neighbor has a bunch of wolves in her yard.
Very cool. So now that I got this one up,
I'm not happy right now. Or it's making too much noise out there.
So what this did is so I'm always checking. I check this side right now too, but always checking to see if it's remaining level as you're going. When you're pulling the screw in, the frame tends to bow in and bow out, so you got to get the technique. Okay. It looks pretty level right there. It's sticking out a little bit, but when I shoot it, we're gonna push it in. Okay. So. Push that in. Okay. Right now, when I was shooting the screw, it started pulling it out. So I did is I backed up the screw and pushed this frame back in, so that way it doesn't come out. Check it again. Okay, so now it's off level. So how do you fix that? I pull the screw out again. This is literally, I'm doing this without shimming, so this frame is very forgiving. Okay. Okay. Let's see what it's doing. It's actually got to go in more, so. It needed to be tightened down more. There. Saw it move. Perfect. Okay, so now we're just going to go get the panels out of the boxes and then just bring them on in and set the panels in. Okay, so we're taking the panels out of the packaging. We took it out of the box already, and we're going to take one of these in at a time. And grab that in, please. I don't want to scratch the other one. Lift it up. Come around the table. Come around the table, please. There we go. Now one of us could take it in. It's fine. Okay, so we put the panel up here, and I'm going to slide it right into the hinge. Okay, so I'm going to slide it into the hinge like that. And then these pins go right inside there. Look at that.
Nice.
So Aidan, does that seem pretty easy to you?
Yes.
Yes? So now that Aidan brought this in, I just put this one up here. Okay. And so you can see one person can do this. It's easier when you have a helper, but especially if you're doing a lot of panels. And you need more than one hand. So I don't know. The key to installing shutters starts before you install shutters. You know what the key is? Aidan?
The key?
Yeah. What is the easiest way to install shutters?
Teamwork.
Teamwork. Good idea. No. The best way to install shutters is knowing how to measure properly. It's the first thing. Okay. If you don't know how to measure, then forget it. You're gonna have a lot of problems. Okay. One of the things that we did miss, if you see here, I'm gonna add a screw here on each of the hinges. Okay, that's the final screws. And then right here, I'm going to touch up a little bit of paint on the screw for the installation screws. Okay, make it look nice for them. And that's it. So I'm gonna do it on all the screws all the way around. Okay. Okay, everybody, that's how easy it is to install a wood shutter. I am going to shoot some more screws on the top and on the bottom. You could also use a nail gun, okay? If you use a nail gun, just be careful. I would recommend any contractor who knows to use a finished nail gun to just go ahead and use it. I have a pass load that I use, okay? But what do you think? I mean, is it easy enough or no?
It's pretty easy. It's not that hard. A lot of people could do it.
Okay, good. Yeah, I think a do-it-yourself person could do it. As long as they're really handy. If you're working around your house, I think you could do this.
As long as you know how to shoot a screw.
Yeah. The only other things that you might want to consider doing is actually doing some caulking on the corners. If there's any gaps and whatnot, this one does it. This frame is perfect. It's beautiful. Also, I mentioned the screws with the touch-up paint. Just touching up the paint with using this touch-up paint over the screws. It's perfect. So, okay. All right. So I think that'll just be it, right?
Right.
Okay. So thank you very much for watching our video. Just if you haven't liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. And you know what, guys? We really appreciate you watching. And we'll talk to you next time. And thank you very much. Take care and God bless.
We'll catch you guys next time.
Bye. See ya. Bye. 2, 1, go.